Hi guys, this is Sopp. Today we're gonna test my newest model Gundam Blue Destiny Zbrush making figurine. This time is the intro section. So I just using Zbrush. How can I make a Gundam model? I will show you guys. So for a long time, many other people asked me how can I make the hard surfacing model on Zbrush. They they feel it kind of very weird. But Zbrush is, as you know, very professional application, 3D application for conceptual modeling, not just uh, not just the industrial design. Just this is for the conceptual modeling. It's a best on one of the best 3D application, I think. As you know, I start sculptor professional work from 2003. So at that time, I used knives, plastic, the sandpaper, any other things. So that is the why I use the uh, sculptor as a sculptor use a ZBrush because ZBrush is very similar handmade works, because this is a kind of some mm, handling clay on the computer on the screen. So there are many good 3D application programs, more like Maya and 3D Max, as you know, and other things. I don't know more. So that is for the industrial design. It's actually very nice program, but ZBrush is actually not a good option for the hard spacing. But why I use this? I I explained previous. This is a kind of clay making. So I used to clay making and the plastic, with a handmade. So this is very similar with a handmade sculpting. Just switch it on the screen, yeah. And I can just show you how can I make this model by using some features of the ZBrush 2020, the newest version. So actually it's not necessary of lots of features of this program because I usually use the brushes, this planar flatten, and edge polish and damp stepper. And the most my favorite feature is this clicker, cutting knife, kind of cutting knife by hand. And a lot of sometimes I use twin curves, twin lasso, twin circle. This is not necessary. This is only necessary, I think. And so my video making the Gundam is based on you guys know about every basic features of ZBrush. But if you are newbie and if you are not used to ZBrush, please go back and learn the tutorial of ZBrush and then go back to my video. That will be nice. Okay, so and one other thing is as you can see and as you can feel, the English is not comfortable to listen to you guys because English is not my mother tongue. So I try to speak English as much as I can in this video, but I should my mother tongue Korean, because the for the explain for more detail to explain, I used to my mother tongue is much more better, I think. So please understand about that. I can try to speak English as much as I can. I promise. So, okay, let us switch my tongue into my mother tongue. Okay, Korean. So, see you guys.